There's a pedestrian trying to walk. Let's see. Look, he's almost getting hit. What a surprise. Yellow light, red light. Look at this idiot. Now she decides to go and she's got a red light and there's a fucking ambulance coming. You know, I really hope that people that don't pull over, I hope their family never needs any help. And if so, I hope that people don't stop for their family members. All right, let's see how many red light runners here. Yellow light. Let's see, things to move, specialized haulers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. 7 cars. Oh, wow, good thing you didn't hit a pedestrian. Unbelievable.